so much life in my garden. Look at this. You can't see there, but there's a pigeon eating away. I even put seeds up here. They all sit on my windowsill and eat. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, timing. Oh wow. Hello, little sparrow. Hello. Wow, the timing there was ridiculous, wasn't it? And he's off. There's so many in here today. It's got lots and lots of jackdaws. And I think they're lovely with the little silver heads. And you've got blackbirds, sparrows, and everything in between. Beautiful jackdaw. So shiny and silky with their black feathers, and that silver head is gorgeous. So I am feeding these dudes several times a day now. I'm buying loads of fat balls and just all the seeds and everything. So guys, if anyone would like to donate, if you enjoy watching these videos, like I said, I'm feeding these birds all the time now because I do want them to stay here. There's lots of them now. I'm going to leave the link below if you would like to donate to the Jamnoy 72 Bird Wildlife Sanctuary, which I've got going here. Then the link is below, guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.